obsessing over this car. What is good, YouTube? Back with another video. It's your boy Organic Gibbs here. We are at the Las Vegas Convention Center at Sema Show 2022. We are inside one of their West Hall or whatever. We're gonna show you guys a full walkthrough of Sema day one. This is the first day of Sema. We got a lot of walking to do. There's a bunch of places that we need to go, so we're gonna try to make all our way around. And this is a 4-day event, so we're gonna show you guys everything in between day one, day two, day three, day four. So this is day one. Tomorrow you get another video of day two, and so on and so forth. So let's get going. We got a lot of walking to do. So right off the bat, we have a Huracan Evo. We're here, boys, Las Vegas Convention Center, SEMA 2022. Y'all see it, boy. No games are being played. We're outside, about to get ready to go inside. There's a lot going on. There's drifting going on over here. There's cars set up outside, and then all inside is all exhibit stuff. So let's go check out the drifting going on. They got a super drifting. We're gonna head that way. They do allow ride along, so we're gonna see if we can make a P1 right there. We're gonna see if we can make our way inside one of the cars. I think right now they're just got some swinging going on, swinging. Got the trucks right here. Got a brand new Bronco lifted to the moon. Oh, that boy swinging. Shit is crazy.
No, you're fine.
Insane. You guys can see it's all of this, all the way back, all the way across the street. So you guys can only imagine how much there is to see. They even have a drifting area in the back over here. We got DDE's SVJ right here. I didn't even realize that he twin turboed it. We also have his 720S GTR. Insane. I didn't even realize it was twin turbo. This is a car I have seen it in person, but not since it's got its rebuilt motor. So insane. He has these new wheels on it as well too. Got this Lark edition. I think this is paint. This is not even wrap. Yeah, this is paint. So insane. DDE doing it big. Got to give them the props. Twin turboed SVJ and 1,000 horsepower 720 GTR. Insane. There's a lot going on. A lot of people looking at you crazy because you vlog, and they had never seen a vlogger before. They have, you know, it's more common nowadays. They got some Germans. Ooh, K9 unit. But look at this Bronco with freaking a hole in the door, carbon door. Look at that. A lot going on. They have a new 400Z right here with a carbon trunk. Looks insane. Doing my best to get you guys this content. There's a lot going on, a lot to see. There's a whole hall right here, another hall right here, another hall down there, another hall down below. So bear with me. I'm trying to get this content for you guys. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. More content's on the way. We're not done yet. We're still getting this content. Look at these wheels though. Look at these wheels. Damn. Supercharged. Got a Whipple on it. Got a Stingray. C8 right there. Whole nother hall right here. Yeah. We're making our rounds. Got a fake engine noise. And artificial. Artificial, man. This is what the future's come to. But on another note, we have the Unicorn out in full effect. Carbon front. Didn't expect to see this here. But we got the unicorn on the showroom floor. Looking right. Looking right. You got a, what is that? Carbon Kevlar seat. Same thing with this side. You guys can see. Insane. Got the unicorn on full display right here. What a sight to see. Was not expecting to see the unicorn here. This thing has done amazing things. This thing is like making 1,500 horsepower, so it's definitely something to be reckoned with. So, unicorn, full effect right here. I think this is a V6 twin turboed. You guys can see. What a build right here. What a build. You guys can see. Everything is exposed. Got a little carbon duckbill right there. Got this Shelby, what is this? Mach-E. BBS is on there too. This is fully electric, but they have fake engine noises, so you guys can see. That's crazy. That is crazy. You guys can see a whole lot of people here. I'm making my rounds, so bear with me. Bear with me. There's a lot of people everywhere I go. There's nowhere I can go where ain't people standing around and in the way of the shot, so we're doing our best. We got TJ Hunt's Hillside RX-7 here. Freshly painted. Damn, this colors too. If you guys don't remember, this is actually the color he painted his Ferrari when he had his 458. His GT3 458. It's almost the exact same color. This has a lot more pearl in it. But damn. Got the blitz on it too. Got the neon lights. Right-hand drive, of course. But damn, carbon lights. What a build, man. This guy has quite a few cars here. Veilside RX-7. Got the blitz on it. This paint job goes crazy too. I don't know if you guys can see how much pearl is in there. A lot of flakes. A lot of flakes up in there, but damn. You guys can see all up under there. Sheesh. Damn. One day, boys, we finna be on a level like this, having our car at SEMA. Y'all see no games being played. Soon. But damn, what a build right here. What a build. Now we're outside, get some fresh air on them. A lot more people are here now. Obviously, it's about 12 o'clock now. Show started at 9 o'clock, so now we have a lot more heads here, which means it's gonna make it even harder for us to get our way around this place. But we're doing our best. I hope you guys are liking the content already. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna have, this is day 1, we're gonna be doing day 2, day 3, day 4, and I'll be wrapping up SEMA. So definitely stay tuned. We're just getting started out here. Hopefully you guys been seeing the reels. I've been making reels just to kind of get some content out for you guys, because yeah, it's so much and so much to see. So much is going on. I'm trying to, you know, just push out as much of early content as I can without making a full video. I think Hoonigan's doing a little burn yard. Oh, they are. There's a bunch of people in the burn yard right now for Hoonigan. So we're making our way over there to Hoonigan. Let's see what they got going on. I see all their cars all the way out over there. So we gonna see. There's a lot to see, man. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
If you be alive, this man will destroy this thing. starts at 3 p.m. today. We're going all week with this. 11 and 3.
Insane. Look at my arm. Special behind the scenes for you guys. Hoonigan Barnyard got all their cars. Hoonigan Barnyard. Exclusive access for you guys. Exclusive for you boys. Exclusive for you boys. E92. Oh my gosh, that one's a what? E46. Exclusive behind the scenes access for you guys. Look at all the builds. Damn, they thrashed this one. Damn. Oh yeah, they got the toys back here, boys. Got a V8 Mini Cooper. You don't see that every day. Sound beefy. Got the exhaust coming out the front. Don't see that before. That boy just did a run. We got a gem of a gem right here. E92. Oh my gosh, boys. Oh my gosh, boys. This shit is insane. Oh my gosh. I saw this dude last year. And every time he tears it up. Every time. We got Hertz car right here. Got a Honda motor up in there. Everybody's out here. Exclusive behind the scenes access for you guys. The Hoonigan Barnyard. Definitely stay tuned. They got another show going on at 3 o'clock. It's just getting started, boy. We just getting started out here. We have a wide body E92 right here. One of the cleanest E92s I've seen, man. Look at these wheels, bruh. Honestly, I don't know this dude, but here's his Instagram. Y'all can give him a follow, but damn. DCT, wide body, in this greenish, bluish, teal color. Damn. Carbon gills right there, man. This shit is insane. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessing over this car. I haven't seen there was the Drift E92, but this is probably the cleanest street-driven E92 I've seen. M3, E92 M3. Let's get that, you know, specified. This shit is insane. Paint to match lip. Look how wide that shit is. You see that, Sema? Then we got an E36 right here, wide body as well too. Look at this. Oh my gosh, carbon door cards, carbon steering wheel. Oh my gosh, does it get any better than this? You tell me, does it get any better than this? SEMA 2022. We're at the Las Vegas Convention Center. Doing it big out here, man. Got the rotiforms on it. Got the status racing seats. Look at the lip. Look at the lights. Look at the lights on it. Doesn't get any better than this. Doesn't get any better than this. We're gonna head back over to the Hoonigan Barnyard at 3 o'clock. If my phone doesn't die. If my phone dies, y'all know why. So if the vlog gets cut short, y'all know why. So stay tuned. There's gonna be day 2 tomorrow, day 3 and day 4. So definitely stay tuned. Like I said, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, man, if y'all haven't subscribed, y'all sleep. I'm telling you. Look at this. Got the throttles, Evo right here. Like it just keeps coming. It just keeps coming. I'm pretty sure they built this. They built that Super right there as well too. We got something over here. I don't even know what car that is. They ain't got no kind of you know, let's just say badging on, I don't know. Oh, it's an Audi. Oh, it's a R8. It's an R8. It's a TT. Oh my gosh. This is a TT R8 with nothing on it. Took all the panels off. Insane. DCT. Insane. Insane. Twin turboed. This thing probably sounds amazing. I'm almost, and not even probably, it does sound amazing. But Las Vegas Convention Center. We're gonna make our way around. Like I said, we in Vegas with it, boys. We in Vegas. Las Vegas Convention Center. Like I said, my phone died. Y'all know why. But stay tuned. More content's on the way.